Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to the detailed guide for the light tag of the video game Where Winds Meet. And first one, uppercut into flower and into a lower cut. And next one, I'm gonna do a flower transition and cloud set up for the last thrust. The very first movement is an uppercut with a body turn. Anytime when you have a body turn, it's adding more fancy moves. It's more difficult. So let's talk about details step by step. Number one, set up your sword. Step up first. Second step, you see while you're stepping, you make flowers. Otherwise, it looks so empty. Number three, look at my step back to set up the next level and then for the uppercut. For the uppercut, look at my elbow. I'm using my elbow to guiding the sword. And using the last turn, deliver my sword. In this particular move, you need two things to remember. One is the transition, the flower. Two is the uppercut. Watch me. Transition for flowers, you really have to go back and practice my flower tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna do our circle, 2 fingers, circle, make a straight line. Okay, second, step up, look at my body position. Foot position. Then if you're stepping on the straight line, what happens is you're not gonna finish stable. You have to stepping with a line between your legs, stepping down and back when you turn. Watch. Okay, for the uppercut, when we design the move, normally for the film, fighting, or for the video games, you want to have an imagination target to set up the cutting point. And then how to do the uppercut with a cutting point. If your arm straight up, watch, the movement looks no cutting point and no strength in between. You really want to just ending up this market from end to top, only this much. Use your elbow and wrist. Elbow guiding the wrist, wrist guiding the straight sword. Finish the cutting. Rest of just momentum dropping the arms. One more time. Flower into uppercut, the first move. Flower into first one. Next one is transition into a lower leg cutting. This is also a lot of turning too. You gotta watch the transition. After the first cut, you set up the flower into. Again, look back my tutorials for the flower. Then watch my leg work. Now you're gonna go cutting the leg in the video game. That's why you have to set up a lower posture. For the lower posture is 1 knee down, 1 bending. And also the cutting point is from the left side of the camera to the right side of the camera. And look my elbow, look my wrist, and cutting. Once you're passing the edge of the cutting point, follow the momentum. Second, one more time, watching after uppercut. Go into it, set up, cutting low. Okay, you see the transition from upper to lower is really the footwork. Stepping in, gradually going up and going down. It's very difficult to keep your body not too swinging back and forth if you do not pay attention to the footwork. The toe at this point play a big role. When you finish, flower, watch stepping step, watch my toe, watch my foot. You see the hip, shoulder, footwork the same. Their line in between. You can stay stable. After, it's more difficult for the transition. Again, you gotta have a flower outside. Look at my elbow. Cloud hand. Thrusting. For this move, you're gonna have to be aware of few things to look good. Okay, number one, once you finish, flat cut. Let's do a transition flower. Look at my elbow. And because I do the cloud and have to above my head, if you go straight, you're losing the flavor of the video game. Your body have to bend back like this. Open the hip. Stretching your hip, then adding cloud above your head. Okay, don't cut your face, okay? Don't drop the top of the sword. You want to make it flat. So practice slow motion first. You often find this look like a matrix. And then because the next one is a thrusting, you will have to stabilize your arm on the shoulder level. One more time. On the shoulder level. One more time, faster. Now, stabilize the sword towards the camera and thrusting. That will be the entire routine. From the back, number one, flower, flower, turn around. Look at my back body, follow the straight sword. Then we're gonna go to the transition inside, outside flower, and look at my body, way to the sword, and then going down. Next one, we're gonna finish our flower, back, and look at my back, cloud, and look at my back hands, matching. That's the view from the back. One more time, step by step. Watch the line, watch the walk. Take a look at the flowers and action, left, right. Keyword, step back. Watch the line between. Uppercut, release. Number two, you're gonna get into the flower because you have to going forward. And then look at my toe. Knee, ready for the knee down. Okay? For this too, you really want to be careful when you walk over. Don't walk on a straight line, just like when we talk about the front view. So when you're from behind, you see my footwork. Set up for the next move, in between. Set up next move, in between. Okay? Now continue for the next two movements, which is look at the back of the flower. Now, see my body turn to the right side. Why? Because the next one, you want to use the momentum, carry the sword, and then bend, open your hip, go atop of your head. Fast motion. Ready for the next movement, thrusting. You see my hands behind. Ready, one, and next, attacking. You see the line? Back arm pushing, opposite stretch to end entire video. Fast, back version. Thanks for watching. If you want more, check out my other videos and see you next time.